หมูหมักเกลือไว้
ค่ะ
เสร็จแล้วเนี่ยเดี๋ยวเราจะใส่
pork
นี่
with salt
รากผักชีอะไรพวกกระเทียมเหมือนเดิมเนาะ
so the same thing that like a pepper
Right.
แล้วก็
root
ใส่
of the
น้ำตาล
coriander and then the
Talk
garlic
to the phone, talk loud.
okay
ซีอิ๊วแล้วก็นี่แป้ง
brown
มัน
sugar soy sauce and this is like the powder the cassava powder
น้ำเปล่า
water
กระเทียมอันนี้ต่างหากแต่เดี๋ยว
like
เราจะโร
separate
ย
garlic that we're gonna put it on the top
Okay. I've decided to let her cook because I've eaten so much and I feel so lazy and I'm pregnant again. And she does it so much faster. But we're gonna film and watch. Oh, okay. So she wants.
she still wanted to cook anyway
อัน
Okay.
คุกให้ยูดูไงแต่วันนี้ต้องปรุง
That's the garlic and
Yeah.
the coriander roots
yes and the
and the black pepper.
yes
Okay.
ใส่ทุกอย่างลงไปใช่ไหมคะ
Cane brown sugar, right?
yeah the brown sugar
The brown sugar. This is the soy sauce. I'll put that in last. This I think is cornstarch. She said it's some sort of flour.
flour like a cassava
Oh yeah,
flour.
okay. So it's regular flour.
Yeah.
This is water,
Water.
she says.
Yes,
Okay. And then this
the soy sauce.
is soy sauce.
Mhm.
And then I gotta mix this
Mix
all up.
together.
You know how tempted I am to just throw my hand in here, start squeezing it around. Okay, ask her, does she ever mix all these ingredients in and then marinate it overnight,
แล้วก็
like the barbecue pork?
ค่ะ ปกติแบบว่าพวกหมูกระเทียมนี่แม่จะหมักข้ามคืนหรือไหมคะ
ใช่ใช่
Yes, normally yes.
แต่อันนี้มันคล้ายๆว่าทำสดได้เลย
Uh-huh. But I get like for this one you don't have to, but it's better if you do it.
Got you.
ก่อนอื่น
First.
Okay, so she put a little
เจียว
grease
กระ
in
เทีย
there.
มก่อน
Mhm.
เจียวกระเทียมก่อนเนาะ
So first
Put
we
in
fry the
tortilla,
garlic.
The garlic.
ใช่ค่ะ We fry the garlic first.
ท้ายละก็จะเอาให้หมดเลย
China's garlic.
All the garlic that she has.
Now that smell coming up my nose is greater. It's the garlic instead of that overpowering chili that was killing me. It smells very good.
ให้เหลืองกรอบให้เหลืองกรอบ
So until it's turned yellow and crunchy.
So she kind of toasts it, right?
ค่ะ
So anybody who's interested in coming to Thailand and they want to get cooking classes, up close and personal like I'm getting now, they're very inexpensive. You need to contact mythaiguide.com.
Your Thai guide.
That's what it says. Oh, your Thai guide.
Your Thai guide.
yourthaiguide.com. But see, they're mine, so. But it's yourthaiguide.com.
เอาขึ้นช้าไปเห็นไหม
And they have this offering on there, and it's called Cooking with Mom. Okay? And you see Mom, she's doing a great job. The reason I like this so much is because I'm not in a whole class and stuff. I can ask her questions about the cooking, about the history of the vegetables. I can do the junk like I was doing now. Say, no, put in more garlic. I can taste the ingredients before I cook. You don't get this kind of service. This is one-on-one, worth it. You know, so yourthaiguide.com. I'm not trying to do a commercial for them, but they're just so great. You know, so check it out if you ever come over here. And she can feed you really well. Really well. So the dish you're making now
Wait.
is a pork and garlic, and chilies, right?
ใส่
No chili
No chili.
just like
Pork
garlic and
ใส่ซี
pepper
อิ๊วนิดนึงให้มันแต่งสีเนาะ
so we put a little of the black sweet sauce to get like the color
And that's this one here. Of course, it's in Thai, and I can't read what the label says. Oh, mushroom soy sauce,
exactly
and that's to give it the color.
not the mushroom soy sauce she put the other one
Oh, she put this one.
yeah
in.
that one sweet soy sauce
Yeah, this is sweet soy sauce. That's what she put on it. This is regular soy sauce. This is mushroom soy sauce.
yes
How many different soy sauces are there in the world?
soy sauce
Regular soy sauce.
น้ำมันหอย
like an oyster sauce but this one is
Okay.
made from the mushroom
โอเค
This says mushroom vegetarian sauce. I'm trying to get these names right because my kitchen's going to have all of these in it.
พอ
okay
สุกแล้ว
ค่ะ
ใช่ไหม
Then she takes the toasted garlic. Yeah, I wish I was home. Pepper.
pepper
Now, is that white pepper? It looks like white pepper.
this is the white pepper
Cow pepper, right?
Huh?
Cow pepper. White is cow.
ขาว
ไว้
พริกไทยขาว
So cow pepper.
พริกไทยพริก pepper is พริกไทย
Pig Thai.
ขาว
Cow. Pig Thai. Cow.
พริกไทย
White
ขาว
pepper.
yes
Okay.
it's a พริกไทยขาว
This smells so good. The garlic is just awesomeness. She's topping it off with some
Okay.
toasted garlic.
very very good
try ขอโทษค่ะแม่
อุ้ยร้อนมากเลยนะ
very very hot I mean the heat
โอ้
your favorite garlic
ก็จะชอบพริกกับกระเทียม
the best ever
มีอะไรแม่อร่อยมั้งวันเนี้ย
she said like which one is not good for you
มีไหม
anything bad taste
ชอบกระเทียมนะ
any dishes that you didn't like because you mouthful you couldn't answer me
Thank
any
you.
question
thank you
This one is my favorite.
ชอบที่สุดเลย
เหรอ
Gajiyam.
เพราะเขาชอบกระเทียมไงคะแม่
เมื่อกี้ก็ใส่กระเทียมเย
That's
อะ
my
มาก
second favorite.
ปอเปียะนี่อ๋อปลา
ปลา the fish
The flaw.
ปลาปลา
As you see, I'm almost finished with that one.
ขับรถจาก
Third favorite.
ปอเปียะ
Fourth favorite. No,
It's
fourth favorite.
อันนี้อันดับ4 and that the last
That's the last one.
oh what about หมูปิ้ง the pork the grilled pork you forget the grilled pork
Oh, you eat him with everything. He's the meat. Yeah. This I love.